Divide 826 by 7 in long division method. 7 times 1 is 7. On subtracting, we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 7. So we put down this 2 and it is 12. 7 times 1 is 7. On subtracting, we get 5. So again, this 5 is less than 7. So we put down this 6 and it is 56. 7 times 8 is 56. On subtracting, we get 0. So 826 divided by 7 is 118. So this much for today and thanks for watching.